My hardest job at Johnson Auto Body will be putting up with Mike. And nobody knows Mike, because Mike won't get on camera.
Oh, it was probably a full Camaro job where we painted the whole car, and it was a mess. Too much work for one car.
I think it was probably stripping the paint off of a roof and a hood. I did it for my grandpa. Let's just say I wouldn't want to do that again.
None, because when you've been doing this thing for 32 years, everything is easy. And go Dolphins, man, all right?
Putting up with Tom McGee.
It's been a long time, probably a Honda Accord with the whole entire side tore off of it. I have a picture of it. This is a long time ago. It's like a 2001 Honda Accord.
Just sweeping floors, usually that's the tough stuff.